In modern life, stress and anxiety often feel unavoidable. We often feel overwhelmed, our minds scattered, and our bodies tense. But what if there was a way to find peace right in the midst of the chaos? Today, we are going to meditate together to release those burdens, reconnect with our inner calm, and find the strength to overcome any challenge. Let's find a quiet and comfortable place. Gently close your eyes or softly gaze downwards. Now, gently place your hands on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your belly expand like a balloon. And exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your belly contract, releasing all tension. Repeat this breathing cycle a few times. With each inhale, you are inviting in peace, and with each exhale, you are gently letting go of all worries, all anxieties. Feel the rhythm of your breath like a natural flow connecting you to nature. If your mind wanders, that is perfectly normal. Simply and gently bring your attention back to your breath. No judgment, no trying to change anything. Just simply observe and let go. Now, bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice any tension there. And as you exhale, allow that tension to dissolve. Like clouds drifting across the sky, continue to bring your attention down to your face. Relax your forehead, your jaw, and the corners of your mouth. Feel the relaxation spreading down into your neck, shoulders, and arms. Allow them to completely soften and release. Breathe deeply and bring your awareness to your chest area. Feel your breath gently expanding and contracting your rib cage. Now, shift your attention down to your belly, hips, and legs. Feel them completely relaxed, connected to the ground beneath you. Feel your entire body being enveloped by peace and stillness. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go, just simply existing in this present moment. Immerse yourself in this stillness, feeling a deep connection to yourself and to the world around you. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room you are in. Feel your body seated, gently wiggling your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes, carrying this feeling of peace and stillness with you. Carry this peace into your new day or into the rest of your evening. Thank you for meditating with meditation. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit like to support us. Subscribe to the meditation channel today so you do not miss out on more guided meditations that help you maintain peace and balance in your life. Share this video with your friends and loved ones, helping them also find peace and connect with themselves. Find more wonderful meditations in our playlist to explore additional effective relaxation methods. We are always with you on your journey to nourish your soul and discover inner stillness. Continue your mindfulness journey with meditation. See you in the next video.